welcome back to our channel and join us as we walk through this two-star modern contemporary design property located in the heart of Angeles City. But before we begin, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more updates on our videos. This is your host Anna, and we're Blueprint Properties, Pampanga. And one of the highlights ng property na ito is its lot. This is a corner lot, and as you can see, very biased ako sa corner lot because of the space. And I feel like mas malaking makikita yung property, mas ma-appreciate mo yung laki ng property and yung itsura ng property kapag corner lot siya. So our lot area is 191. At ang floor area natin ay 203 square meters. 191 square meters and 203 square meters ang ating floor area. I just want to mention yung ating fence. Meron kasing ayaw nila yung sobrang high ng fence. Meron naman yung gusto nila na mataas. So this one, mataas ang fence natin pero may mga breeze blocks tayo. Ayan. Kahit na mataas yung fence natin, this allows the airflow. Yeah? So para hindi mainit kahit na mataas yung fence natin, meron paling airflow sa property. So let's go. Dito ang ating same, yung fence natin. Meron tayong mga breeze blocks dyan. And sa facade, mapapansin na ninyo agad yung modern contemporary design natin. Very, very slick yung mga kanto ng property. The color as well is very neutral. Meron tayong black, may brown, may white. So, madali lang din siyang maternahan, di ba? If you want to put more plants, or if you want to put yan, sa taas, pwede ka maglagay din naman ng mga plants dyan. Isa pa, naka-highlight ng ating fence, itong ating mga linear lights. Ay, isa naman to. Ay, yeah, meron din pala doon sa kabila. Also, yung post natin dito, meron tayong space here to allow the airflow, but still, hindi to basta-basta mapapasokan. Pasok na tayo. At pagpasok mo, di ba? You have your landscape garden na pagpasok mo, napaka-welcoming niya kasi, di ba? You'll see greens, and then dito pa, meron ka pa dito. Also, yung accent wall natin dito, this is a wood panel na-highlight nga yung kulay na puti ng mga stones natin dahil dyan. Dito tayo sa side na to. I did my intro here. Dito yung lanay at nandito rin ang iyong pool area. You have a dipping pool, a plunge pool, at as you can see, very spacious po ang ating lanay. Yan. May mga inaayos pa, so if you can see some wires, excuse us po dahil yan po ay mga, may mga inaayos pa po sa property. This is your lanay, very spacious, your pool area, at mataas din yung ating fence, so you don't have to worry about your privacy. So tayo, at papakita ko sa inyo ang inyong parking area. So this is your parking area. Parking for two, very spacious din siya, fully covered, at meron ka rin CCTV camera dito. Isa rin to sa nagustuhan ko kasi dito yung access going to your dirty kitchen, your maid's quarter. At least like for example, may bisita kayo, dumating kayo with your groceries, hindi ka na dadaan doon, dito ka na, diretso ka na. So diretso ka na sa pantry, sa yung dirty kitchen, and going to your maid's quarter. Nasa labas nga yung maid's quarter natin, so they have their privacy din. No? We'll show you the other details pagpasok natin para mas ma-appreciate nyo yung itsura niya paglabas. Let's go! And wide porch, elevated din. And as you can see, ang taas, di ba? Ang taas ng ceiling natin. At ang ating door, solid door na not your usual size din, mataas din siya. Parang konti lang ngayong pagitan niya from the floor and from the ceiling. Alright, pasok na tayo. This is an open layout concept property. So, maganda dito, you have your own design. You can hire an interior designer. Depende sa inyo kung anong gusto niyo maging itsura ng property natin. Kaya, pakita ko na. Diba? This is your foyer. this is your living area. Very spacious. Dahil open layout siya, mas mabibigyan kayo ng chance to, to express yourself with your furniture, with your design. But, meron ka lang parang, ang maganda sa kanya, dahil neutral ang color niya, it's easy for you to add your furniture and other displays or other accents sa iyong property. This is your living area, your TV console. Very simple, minimalist, and yet kapag nilagyan mo yan ng mga gamit, mas magsa-stand out talaga siya. You have fluted panels. Also, you have an accent of a wood design. No, it's just it's a drop ceiling with a wood design. And you also have your cove lights. So cove lights yung in between do sa dalawang, the ceiling and the plank or the drop ceiling. Dito ako nag-intro kanina, you have your lanai. So ang maganda dito, if you have a gathering, living area, more tables here going to your pool area. Sobrang spacious niya. Kaya pwede ka talagang you can play around with different designs dito sa yung property. This is your dining area. So you can see meron tayong drop light here that emphasizes kung saan mo ilalagay yung table mo. You can have a rectangular design dining set. Pwede rin ang circular. Actually, maganda nga yata yung circular dito. Diba? At saka, sobrang spacious pa going to your kitchen island. Ang laki ng kitchen island mo, you can add stools here. And this one, breakfast nook. Meron ka pang pwedeng lagyan ng stools dito. And looking, pwede ka maglagay ng stools dito. White quartz countertop. Tignan mo naman kung gaano siya ka-spacious. You have your drop lights. Ang cute ng drop light kasi may wood design siya. Diba? So cute. And what I love about this, yung mga cabinets niya. Cabinet, may shelves dyan. This is provision for your microwave and your oven kasi meron ka ng saksakan, meron ka ring storage dito. Laki. Here, these are included. And you have your condiment pull out. Very cutesy. Cutlery drawer. Sa mga mommies, very important to sa kanila. You also have your dish rack. Diba? Mabilis lang yan. Pagkahugas mo, diretso na dito. So it's very convenient at very neat pa. Very organized. Diba? Cutlery drawer. Single bowl stainless steel sink. Meron ka ring drainer dito. You also have, this one is for your, I think this is for dishwashing liquid or if you want hand soap, pwede rin. Tapos ito yung glass cleaner natin. Meron kayo dito. Lights, your task light. More storage dyan. Also here. Hindi lang dyan, pati sa yung kitchen island, meron kang drawers dito. And of course, you have a provision for your refrigerator. Kasya dito ang side-by-side na refrigerator. Nakasukat na yan. The aircon is included, of course. At sa yung ground floor, you also have your guest room. This is your guest room. Your guest room with its own ensuite toilet and bath. Undermount sink with white quartz countertop. Your vanity mirror. Floor-to-ceiling tiles, tempered glass partition, and of course, ang iyong stainless steel shower set. Niche for your soap, for your shampoo. At ang ganda nung sink niya kasi undermount siya. So, you can put your stuff here na hindi, kasi when it's vessel type, medyo masikip. But here, since undermount siya, it's easier for you to move. Lalo na if, may blow dryer ka, may blow dryer ang guest mo. Diba? Let's go. And you also have, of course, built-in cabinet. Sana, ang laki. Diba? Oh, ha? Tapos may drawer din. This is your TV console. The aircon is included. And, yan. Mount po yung TV dyan. Pwede rin naman dito. Kasya dito, a queen-size bed can fit. But if you want it to be more spacious, a family size or yung twin bed will be perfect. Ganda. Let's go. Sa harap niya, this is your powder room. your powder room or your half bath. Pag sinabing half bath, wala tayong shower area. So you have your toilet, you have your sink. This one is a vessel type sink. But kahit na vessel type sink siya, yung countertop naman niya is very spacious. So may mga malalagay ka pa talaga dyan. Oo, may space pa naman doon. Vanity mirror, floor to ceiling tiles, parang accent wall dyan. Para lang may view lang, di ba? So cute. Okay, ito yung kanina. So this door, saan ako ha? So yan. Para ma-visualize niyo how it's gonna look like. So this door goes to your maid's room. This is your maid's room. Alright, so it maximizes the space under the stairwell as you can see. Pero, additional space na lang yun doon. Kasi this one is already good for a single bed or a double deck. Pwede rin siya. Jalousie. So, jalousie window. Sobrang ko na-appreciate yung mga jalousie window because yung mga sliding windows, usually half lang yun eh. So, if you're gonna slide it, half lang yung na-open. Unlike if jalousie siya, yung full measurement na yan, mabubuksan. And it will allow the air to pass through ng full power ng yung full size ng ating window. Okay, this is your laundry area and your dirty kitchen. So this is your dirty kitchen, auxiliary kitchen, service area. This portion, you can add, kung gusto mo pa mag-add ng siguro oven dito sa dirty kitchen mo, pwede. Or yung stove na may oven, pwede rin dyan. But this side kasi, this is your laundry area. Kasi you have your socket, faucet, and ito yung kanina, yung going to your carport. Diba? Pagpasok mo, dala mo yung groceries, pasok ka na agad doon. Dito, sa pantry mo. Your cabinets. And of course, kung meron kang maid's room dyan, meron ka rin naman bathroom for them. This is a full bath. Wala siyang partition, but you can see how spacious it is. Diba? Kompleto naman siya. You have your sink, you have your shower, toilet, and very spacious siya. Hindi lang siya basta pinilit na maging bathroom. Alright? Let's go. Before tayo umakyat, ang ganda ng view dito. Diba? You can see yung step light natin at kung gaano din naman ka-spacious yung ating stairwell. Kasi, pwede siyang two-way, oh. Kasya yung dalawang tao, hindi kayo magbabanggaan. At, ayan, ang lakas talaga makaganda ng step lights. You also have your wood handle or your wood railing. Sakit na tayo. At your landing, very important din. Spacious at hindi masikip. There. Meron ka ring step lights dito. Nakikita naman ng ilaw na yan. And hope you have a pretty chandelier and a wide window. Pwede ka maglagay ng blinds dyan. Pwede rin naman yung curtain. Para maganda yung curtain dyan. Tapos, neutral yung color para bumabangga yung ilaw nito, di ba? Very pretty. Na-mention ko ba to? But, okay. Yung tiles sa baba, gray color. Pagdating naman sa second floor, ang tiles natin, wood design, which actually tells you na, dito na yung mga bedroom. Kasi di ba pag mga bedroom, usually mga ganito yung mga type ng mga tiles natin. And they're not square type, they're planks. Very, very cozy. Okay, first room. This is your first bedroom sa yung second luwang. Halang luwang niya. Ang luwang ng Nakita niyo ba kung gaano kalayo? Ay, mayroon siyang Berchelay. Berchelay yung tawag sa mga ganyan, yung nasa labas. Yan ay dinalagay para mag-guard yung sinag ng araw. If you want a room na medyo mas madilim, you can choose this one kasi talagang hindi papasok yung ray of sun dyan. But dahil ganyan yung design niya, yung airflow, tuloy-tuloy pa rin. King size bed, kasya dito. Ganun siya ka-spacious talaga. Ito nga, yung distance niya. Diba, pang king size. Pero pwede rin naman ang queen size, tapos maglagay ka na lang ng pretty na bed frame. You have your built-in cabinet, of course. That aircon is included. You have a TV rack. Feeling ko lalagyan pa to ng cover, kasi yung iba hindi pa nailagay eh. Tsaka yung design niya, meron siyang moist cover siya. Very helpful na rin na nakaganyan, para hindi ka na magbubutas ba. Diretso na yan. Diretso na yung mga wires natin. You can mount your TV. Pwede rin naman siyang patong lang dito. Next, tayo sa tabi niya. Ito yung katabi niya, another room. Okay. Identical to the other one. Para lang silang nagpalit ng pwesto. Yung TV rack, doon yung kanina. This one, dito siya. King size bed, kasha din. Look at that. So spacious. Time check natin is around 4 o'clock, I think, or going 5. So medyo may ano na, yung afternoon sun tayo. Or medyo mainit na at some point, no? Pero wala kang makikitang pumapasok na sun ray sa atin. Kahit na clear yung mga windows natin because of the Bristley. So, yun ang function niya. Very nice. Queen size bed, king size bed, kasha. You have your, narinig yung echo. Kasi pag walang laman, di ba ganun? Yan. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng mga built-in cabinets natin kasi malalaki sila. Diba? Maximize talaga yung height to your ceiling. And the space, yung mga rooms natin, spacious talaga sila. You can add here, study table or a vanity mirror or just a simple full body mirror. Next. You have your bathroom, full bath, undermount sink, white quartz countertop, you have your vanity mirror, and nakikita nyo naman kung gaano ka-spacious. Here, tempered glass partition, stainless steel shower set, floor-to-ceiling tiles, and, ayan. Ang ganda ng ating tiles kasi hindi siya madalas. Rough at textured. Next, napapansin nyo ba yung mga doors natin? Sobrang taas nila, sobrang high din yung measurement nila, no? Yung height nila, mataas din. So you have 1, 2, 3. You have 3 rooms dito sa yung this side. Kasi doon sa isang side na yon, sinakop na yun ng master bedroom natin. Same design, same concept. Yung design ng ating TV rack. Even yung drop light natin, yung cove lights natin, same yung mga design nila. Ano lang, well, iba't iba lang yung pwesto, but same yung design. Queen size bed. Nasabi ko lang na queen size bed kasi kung ito nakasara, king size bed, perfect siya. But I feel like kung queen size siya, mas makikita yung yung design ng dalawang mirrors, dalawang windows natin. There. Built-in cabinet, same design. May space ka pa dito. Ganyan siya ka-spacious. You can add another cabinet here for your shoes, for your bags kung kulang pa, or study table, or vanity mirror. At, kaninang umakyat tayo, dyan lahat ng rooms, dito naman yung ating master bedroom. And bago ka pumasok, you have a console here. So, you can put anything here. Actually, kung gusto mo pa nga siyang isara, para gawin mo na lang siyang cabinet, pwede rin. Or some, you can just let it be like this. May painting dyan, or may family portrait, pwede rin. Or anything na accent before ka pumasok ng iyong master bedroom. And, this is your master bedroom. Dito tayo banda. Kasi, this is your bedside. That will be your closet and your bathroom side. You have a partition in between kung saan mo i-mount yung TV mo or ipapatong yung TV mo. As you can see, very spacious siya. King size bed can fit. Or if you want a queen size bed and then pwede ka maglagay ng sofa here, an accent chair sa kabila, pwede rin. Or side tables with side lamps. Diba? Pag ikot mo yan dyan, sir, mapapakita natin kung gaano siya kaluwang. This is your partition. This is where you put your TV. May cover pa to. And dito, this is where your walk-in closet. Ang ganda ng walk-in closet niya. And I love seeing this one kasi this is a blank space. A space where you can put your full body mirror. Kung gusto mong punuin yan, lang yung space na yan na full body mirror siya, that will be perfect kasi pagkabihis mo, diretso siya. Diba? Ang ganda kasi, well, they maximize the space for your cabinets. Yun naman yung maganda sa kanya. Diba? Drawers, shelves. Meron ka rin dito. Yan. At hindi siya masikip, so makakapagbihis ka ng maayos. Ito na, ang door natin going to our master bathroom. Tadaan! Uy, cute! Alright, pagpasok mo, this is your shower area. As you can see, floor to ceiling transparent, tempered glass partition. At I love yung sink niya kasi yung kung gaano yung nakikita yung space na to, ganun din kaluwang yung sink natin. Ay, si Sir ayaw pumasok. Kasi makikita siya. Okay. So, sige na kayo, montage mo na lang to. Grabe, ha? Tumatawa ka pa dyan. May spacious siya. So, yan. Okay, alam ko hindi niyo ako nakikita sa mga panahong to dahil sinasabi ko lang naman siya. Spacious siya. One sink. Actually, pwede siyang gawing dalawang sink eh. But, ang purpose naman na niya, sa isang side, meron tayong mga shelves sa baba. So, dito yung mga storage mo and dito ka rin pwede maglagay ng mga iron, hair curler, pwede. And I love kung gaano kalaki yung ating vanity mirror. Ayan. Meron ka pang storage under your undermount sink. Diba? Maximize ang ating space. Okay, ayan na. There you have it, guys. At I'll see you at the ground floor for our recap. And for our recap, this is a two-story modern design property located in exclusive subdivision here in Angeles City. This subdivision is flood-free, ayan, and also quick access to major business establishment, 15-minute drive to different universities, malls, schools, market, at hospitals, ano pa ba? Restaurants. So other than that, 30-minute drive to Clark International Airport, and a quick drive to North Luzon Expressway. Ayan. And sa yung property naman, your floor area is 203 square meters and your corner lot measurement is 191 square meters. Highlight ng ating property, meron siyang plunge pool and yung iyong spacious na mga rooms, also yung open layout natin. Kasi some gusto nila yung may mga furniture na, but some they want to, design their home. Depende sa taste nila. So, yun yung, if you're someone who likes to, experiment on the furnitures and your decorations, so this property is for you. Ano pa ba? Yung maid's room, malaki kasi siya, and then yung location niya is nasa may labas ng property, or labas ng bahay mismo, labas ng property. Lumabas siya sa property. Joke lang. So, doon lang siya sa may labas. So, para mas privacy po para sa ating mga kasambahay. Also, may sarili na siyang bathroom doon, and then nandun din naman yung dirty kitchen natin, which is also spacious. And yung location nung access door from your parking going to your dirty kitchen. So that's a plus sa atin. It may look like a simple detail, but kapag nakatira ka na sa bahay, dun mo siya ma-appreciate. What else? Yung master bedroom. I love the walk-in closet kasi na-maximize niya sa mga cabinets. And then, yung part na partition, it's clever to put a mirror doon. Kasi dahil na-maximize naman na niya yung space. So that part, it's an accent wall and also functional to be your mirror. Ayan, what else pa ba? Your two-car carport, hindi ko na-mention kanina. Spacious din naman siya. And yung iyong, yung stairwell natin, yung mga step lights natin, very useful siya or very functional din naman kasi like aside from the aesthetic, iba rin kasi na talagang maliwanag yung daanan pagdating sa yung stairwell. Ayan, what else? Yan, aside from the location, the open layout, what else pa ba? Yung community natin, very peaceful din sa community natin for 24-hour security service. Also, may mga amenities pa sila dito. They have their basketball court, their tennis court, may pool area din sila dyan. So, kompleto na po. At alam ko, dito sa subdivision na to, they have 3 playgrounds for your kids. So, if you're starting a family, yan, meron ka mga options for your kids to enjoy ang iyong mga playgrounds. So, if you're interested, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're Blueprint Properties Pampanga. You can catch us on our Facebook page, Blueprint Properties Pampanga. Message us on Messenger. At meron din kami mga different platforms if wala po kayong social media account. So we have WhatsApp, Viber, you have our numbers dyan sa description. Makikita nyo sila dyan. Email address. And please follow us on Instagram at follow us on TikTok. You'll see reels before pa po ma-post ang ating mga full videos, and you can book your trippings even hindi pa ninyo nakakita ang full house tour natin. And you can see it for yourself and even appreciate it even more pag nakita nyo na ang ating actual property. You can also follow me on TikTok and Alalo and on Instagram. Okay, what else? Thank you so much, TJ Photography, para po sa ating video ngayon, Sir Darwin and Sir Aaron. Maraming salamat po. And please do follow them on their social media account. And also MK Prime Art and Properties. Ayan po ang kanilang mga contact details. At sa mga subscribers natin, thank you so much for always following us, and sa mga comments ninyo, sa mga suggestions ninyo. We see, we hear, we read your comments, and maraming salamat for your suggestions, for your kind words. At kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more updates on our videos. This is your host, Anna, and we're Blueprint Properties Pampanga, where your house speaks. Let's go. Emphasize yung before that, meron tayo. Ano tawag dito? Bakit may ganito? Because kapag sliding window yan, sir, ikat mo yun. And for our recap, this is a 2-star modern design contemporary.